Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set the time in a Honda Fit. Start by turning the ignition to on or ACC and locate the clock controls on the dash or touchscreen. Press and hold the clock or set button until the hours flash, then use seek or tune to change the hours. Press set to save, then repeat to adjust minutes and confirm the new time before driving. To access the clock controls, press menu or clock on the dash or touchscreen and open date and time settings. For older radio units, press the clock or set button and use seek or tune to adjust values. Confirm your choices by tapping OK or pressing set, then double-check the displayed time after restarting the vehicle to ensure settings saved correctly and the clock behaves as expected. If the clock keeps resetting, first check the 12V battery health and relevant fuses to rule out power loss. Ensure navigation has a signal if your system syncs via GPS or cellular, and install available infotainment updates for bug fixes. If software and power checks fail, consult the owner manual or contact a dealer, since module faults or wiring issues may require.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.